Forgotten username recovery failed on Chip app fix. If you've tried to recover your Chip app username and the recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not locked out forever. Most people run into this because Chip has changed the way accounts are managed. The surprising truth is that Chip no longer uses usernames at all. Chip app, the automatic savings and investment platform, switched to an email-based login system for better security and user experience. That means your email address now acts as your username. So when you try to use the old forgot username function, it fails simply because usernames don't exist anymore. Here's how to fix this quickly. Step 1. Open the Chip app or visit the Chip website. On the login page, enter your registered email address, not a username. Step 2. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot Password to reset it. A secure link will be sent to your email inbox. Step 3. If you don't receive that link, check your junk or spam folders. Automated messages sometimes end up there. Step 4. If you originally signed up using Apple, Google, or another third-party login, use that same method again. Chip won't recognize an email-based login for social linked accounts. If none of this works, reach out to Chip's support team through their help center. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed and provide your name and registered email. They can verify your identity and manually restore access. Most users assume something's broken, but in reality, the login system has just evolved. Chip removed usernames to make logging in faster, safer, and simpler. So, the next time your recovery attempt fails, don't panic, just log in with your email or connected account. Within minutes, you'll be back to watching your savings grow with Chip.